Question number 1. Which of the following items is classified as a capital receipt in the budget for the Government of India? Answer. The borrowings made by the government from the public. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a part of the revenue receipts for the Government of India? Answer. The receipts from disinvestment of public sector in the takings. Question number 3. In India, deficit financing is used for raising resources for. Answer. Economic development. Question number 4. Which of the following is true about the annual budget prepared by the Government of India? Answer. It is a part of the fiscal policy of the government. Question number 5. All the expenditure of government which promote economic growth are called. Answer. Developmental expenditure. Question number 6. Which expenditure is categorized as developmental expenditure? Answer. Expenditure on irrigation projects. Question number 7. Which measure of macroeconomic stabilization program stressed that containment of public expenditure is essential, but the government's capital expenditures in key social sectors must not be curtailed? Answer. Fiscal correction. Question number 8. Is concerned with the income and expenditure of public authorities and with the adjustment of one to the other. Answer. Public finance. Question number 9. Which of the following is classified as revenue expenditure? Answer. Expenditure on public health. Question number 10. Which one of the following is likely to be the most inflationary in its effect? Answer. Creating new money to finance a budget deficit. Question number 11. Which of the following steps under the fiscal policy is an example for stabilizing the economy? Answer. Making payments towards unemployment insurance benefits. Question number 12. If we deduct grants for creation of capital assets from revenue deficit, we arrive at concept of. Answer. Effective revenue deficit. Question number 13. With reference to the Government of India, which of the following is a non-debt capital receipt? Answer. Both A and B. Question number 14. Fiscal policy in India is formulated by which of the following? Answer. Ministry of Finance. Question number 15. The importance of fiscal policy in a country like India is that. Answer. All of the above. Question number 16. Which among the following steps is most likely to be taken at the time of an economic recession? Answer. Increase in expenditure on public projects. Question number 17. Which of the following are included in the capital budget of the Government of India? Answer. All of these. Question number 18. There has been a persistent deficit budget year after year. Which of the following actions can be taken by the government to reduce the deficit? Answer. Both A and B. Question number 19. Which of the following will most accurately show the fiscal condition of an economy for current year? Answer. Fiscal deficit. Question number 20. Which of the following is not a part of the development expenditure undertaken by the Government of India? Answer. The expenditure as a part of the defense budget.